Meanwhile, the Minister for Health, Sibongile Simelane, says it is important to train nursing students for health-related needs as they prepare to launch themselves into the practice of nursing. The minister was represented by the Principal Secretary, Dr Simon Zwane, during the launch of the National Nursing Preceptorship Framework, which was held at the Royal Swazi Spa Hotel.
This tool is aimed at ensuring the attainment of quality healthcare services provisioned by new nurses as they prepare to launch themselves into the practice of nursing. The Ministry of Health observed a gap between theory and practice in nursing education. The minister's representative, Dr. Simon Zwane, says a number of studies have confirmed that some of the newly qualified nurses exit pre-service with competency levels that are below the required minimum standard of care, yet every practicing nurse, whether newly graduated or not, are competent practitioners.
You will agree with me, ladies and gentlemen, that such observations will continue to derail progress towards the attainment of a healthy nation through improved quality of care. Let us consider, therefore, the resources we spend also on training newcomers to the system on skills they should have attained at pre-service level. Notwithstanding the reasons thereto, such has a tendency to dwarf the healthcare delivery system, and it renders the system inefficient as well as risky.
Zwane urges all senior nurses to embrace this program with a positive attitude. For Swazi TV News, I'm Lungilele Makakula with Mbongwa Dube at Zuluni.